Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to view face Gantt in Zoho Projects. Alright, first up, go ahead and go to your projects, select one of your projects right here. For example, this YouTube project. I'm just going to click on it. And once that's done, I'm going to go to the top. Right here, we have the faces section. Okay. What you do is just click on it. Now, go ahead and go to list right here. Make sure that you're under Gantt view, like so. And here you have your Gantt view. Now, in here, what you'll do is just go ahead and explore the chart. Okay. You'll see your project's faces represented as bars, showing their start and end date. Okay. Now you can go ahead and use the left panel right here if you have a multiple faces or milestone to select one and just click on view. There you go. You could also click on chart view right here if you want to. Now let's just go ahead and close out this window. You could also go to the right panel, and here we have the full screen option. Just click on it, and here we have the full screen of our Gantt. Okay. You could also open up the face by just clicking on this bar or the face bar. Click on it, and here we have some details. It says active, the milestone name or the face name, and the date on when it's going to end. You could also right click on it, view the details, or open it in a new tab. Create another face above or below. Change the color if you want to. Right click on it again. Follow it, edit, clone, or move. Okay. Select the project where you want to move it and just click on move. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.